In order to get to the dashboard for any Google Apps account that you've set up, what you want to type is www.google.com/a/whatever your domain name is. And so in this case, it's going to be Coffee Kooks. And again, we see the dashboard, which you're already familiar with. And at the bottom of the dashboard landing page, we have links to each one of our core services for Google Apps. And as I've shown you previously, we can click on Add More Services to add some non-standard services. And we can go to the Google Marketplace also to add services. But when you load a vanilla installation of Google Apps Standard, as we have, you get everything that you're looking at here, except for Start Page. We actually added that last week. And so if you ever want to do domain level Google Apps administrative configuration on all of the email accounts or all of the calendar accounts for your Google Apps installation, this is where you're going to go to the dashboard. So before we actually get into the Gmail program, let's take a look at what options Google gives us in regards to configuring email at the domain level. There really are not many of them. The options increase a little bit when you go into Google Apps Premier. Again, we're at the standard free version. But here it's just the basic, where do your users go to access email? What do their names look like? What happens to email that is sent to your domain but that doesn't have an address that matches an account that you've created? So if I send an email to gobbledygook@coffeekooks.com, does that email get discarded or should it be forwarded to somebody? And then they have a feature that allows you to use your Google Mail account or your Google Apps Mail account to connect to other email servers so that you can send out of your Gmail account on behalf of other domains. That's sort of outside the scope of what we're going to deal with here. And then they have an instruction screen for how to start email. And they also have something called Disable Service. And I really just want to draw your attention to the fact that you don't actually have to have email if you're using Google Apps. You can disable email or any other of the services that are built in out of the box. Just something to keep in mind if for whatever reason you didn't need to specifically give email to all of the users within your domain. So again, email settings are pretty simple at the domain level for the standard installation of Google Apps. I can click on email addresses right here and just see the list of these user accounts of everybody who I've given an account to. So anyhow, that's very simple. Now, if we want to actually go to our email account within coffeekooks.com, you just type in mail.coffeekooks.com. Those of you who I was able to get configured on Google Apps early on will already have done this.